Guys, I need to put a disclaimer out there. When I'm telling these stories, I'm not saying go around and do those things. I don't even do a quarter of the things that you guys are doing, but I'm just telling the stories that I'm told. And most of those stories, they come to me anonymously. So please, it's not an encouragement. We just listen and we don't judge. Anyway, Hansi Miss P Terrier. This is coming from the hitched gang. It's coming from the married gang. One thing that I have to tell you guys is a lot of women do revenge cheating. A lot of women do revenge cheating. But the unfortunate part is they end up falling in love. Yeah. Anyway, Hansi Miss P Terrier. Inini, I'm a mother, I am married, and my husband used to cheat a lot. Well, he still cheats, but he used to cheat a lot. And the Miss P at that time, there was nothing I could do because ndandisingashandi ndisinakana changu saka ndaingotarisa chete. Miss P, this man would cheat left, right, and center. So uchiona my messages, uchiona chi. It got to a point where I was like, you know what? Enough is enough. I cannot handle this. I cannot continue with this. I pegged mkunguru yangu, I pegged my bags, and I left. I was like, it is over. It's over. Chasira naenda. Hey, kuribe kubwe. Anyway. Anzi Miss P ndapheka. Anzi hayiphapho ndopha ndakazongoona kuti bambo hagoni kurarama vasiri neni. Ndokunyengererwa Miss P. You know us ladies, it's just so easy. You just say, what do you want? And then I say what I want, and then you do what I want, and then I'm melting, and then it is done. So hanzi ndakavhunzwa zvikanzi ndiregererewo nhaiwe saro mukadzi wangu ndiregererewo handizvipami nditobhuya so handizvipami, I'm really sorry my love, what can I do for you to forgive me? Zvikanzi chisikana, you remember you never roared me, so let's go kumba kwedu unorora. Hanzi mukomana hana kuti akabva aenda kunorora kumba. Aiwa, after some time Miss P in marriage, I then decided it's time for me to go to education. Let me further my education. Let me go to school, to college. Of course, men's is paying for college. Miss P ndinouya ndaenda kuchikoro. And then it so happened towards towards the end of the semester, I started getting along with this hot lecturer. And Miss P, baba ka lecturer uyu tungumuthi ndi Sam. Sam was admired by a lot of people, but Sam was not reachable to a lot of people. You understand? Sam is that person who could anotuzikana school years kuti munhu akanaka, munhu ari clean, munhu ari smart, very attractive. A lot of women would want to get under Sam's. You understand? But Sam is not available. Sam wants to choose his meat. He doesn't want his prey coming around and just, exactly. And Miss P. Same tikatangisa kutaura. It so happened kuti Sam akatangisa kuti you know what, I feel so comfortable talking to you. I don't even know why I tell you some of these things that I tell you, but I feel like you are the it person for me, and you are also honest with me, and haungo hauna fair and all of that. We started talking. And then this other time, Miss P, ndakangoti you know what, this semester, and that was like the first semester, and this semester, I don't want to do anything with Sam, and besides, my husband is paying my school fees, so I shouldn't be a bad girl. Ndaenda per weekend kumba, and so I was staying at school. So one weekend I go back home. Ndasvika ikoko ndowanike Shasha isati yasiya nyaya yacho yechibadza chiya. Shasha is still talking to babies, to girls, multiple girls. Nigga, right. This is what I want. And I've got plans for you. Plans to make myself happy, and you shall never find out. Yes, anzi Miss P ndadzokera kuya kuchikoro tasvika paya pana lecturer comms communication is still ball. Lecturer zvikanzi sezvo maakuvhara, it was towards closing, and sezvo maakuvhara ka before you leave chimbondipa chii chimbondipa hug. Inini ndikati no worries, handizivi kuti zvivindi ndakazvitora Miss P apa ndairobwa nehana because ava ndilecturer vanotodiwa nemunhu wese asi havatisi tisu vava tasangana manheru akandipa zimwe zihug, so Miss P zvekuti ndakafila good. Akada kundikisa ndikati no, zvikanzi naiye it's okay, I won't rush you, I'll wait for you. What a man, what a man, what a man. Anyway, Miss P taenda kuholiday. Ndiri kuholiday ikoko lecturer vakuramba vachingotaura neni communication kusvika vazonditi hey babe and all of that. Miss P baba he treated me. I felt like a woman. I felt like a princess na baba, because do you know that this man noticed the simplest things. Ndaiti so ndikaita a new hairstyles, you'd notice. But murume wangu ndinogona kutonoiswa Brazilian, shades pasi. Brazilian inototsvaira pasi, and you'll never notice and you'll never compliment me. That's African man for you. Yeah. In fact, that's Zimbabwean man for you. Anyway, anzi tadzoka pasemester. Miss P tichitodzoka pasemester paya. Botology was studied. Why? Because ndaenda kumba ndiri kuwana futi chibharanzi chiya chitobias chiri kuramba chingoita zvekuchita chiri kuchita ndikati two can play the game. Ndinouya ndadzokera kusemester kuya nababa vaya tikastadira botology. Miss P, the botology is out of this world. Baba vanogona basa ravo, vanogona kustada. It makes sense because he's a lecturer, but vanogona kustada. You way, Miss P. Anzi, I like it when he says to me, iwe uri wangu wanzwa. Anzi, iwe uri wangu wanzwa. Tichaparadziswa nekufa. Nyango ukaenda kupi ndokutera. Miss P ndabva ndafila kunge yamena. It's just my imagination, which is wild. Anzi Miss P ndinobva ndafila kunge amen. So zvekuti Miss P, murume wangu ndinomuda. I will never leave my husband uyo chibharanzi changu Tobias. But Tobias anongondibhuira kuti study otology, anongostada one module obva arara apedza. But lecturer vanondigonera Miss P. I found my soulmate. Of course, I'll never leave my husband, but I found my soulmate. We listen, we don't judge.